So I'll type CLC, I'll type clear, and I'll also type, sorry, close all. So this example, the example which we are going to see now, that example shows how to overlay two bar graphs and specify the bar colors and widths. So each bar graph will have a different colors and width. Yeah. And then we will see how to add legend, display the grid lines, and how we can specify the tick label. Yeah. So to create a bar graph, we'll have to set we'll set a bar width of 0.5, so that the bar so that all the bars uses the 50% of the available space, and then we'll specify the bar color by setting the face color property of the RGB color value. So face color is a property which is available in that property inspector as well. So we'll create one vector with the value 1 2 3 1 to 5. So simply we'll use 1 to 5. Yeah. Then we will use one variable called a temp. I will create one variable, high temperature, for example, and that will write 37, 39. I'm creating one row vector here, 46, 56, and 67. I haven't given a semicolon, and that's why it is printing the values just like that. After that, I'll consider one width value, that is 0.5. So I'm creating a w1 variable for that, and then I will write a like we know that bar function is there for vertical bar plot. I'll use a bar plot there. So x comma temp temp high, yeah, comma w1, that is a 50% like sorry, the bar width, that is w1. We'll also have to provide a face color property, comma point 2, point 2, and point 5. If you want to know more about that, you can you can search in a documentation, that is what is the space color property, and bracket complete, and click on the enter. So this is one bar plot which we have created with the width of 0.5. Now to plot a second bar graph or the first bar graph, we will use the hold on function, because we'll have to first of all, like I want to tell MATLAB that you should keep holding the existing bar chart, the bar graph in the current figure window, so that I can add the new into the same. So for that, I'll have to use hold on function here. So right now, MATLAB is holding this bar chart in this current figure window, and now I'll again create one variable, that is a temperature low is equal to 22, 24, 32, 41, and 50. Yeah? A semicolon to terminate the statement. Yeah, and then width 2 is equal to 0.25, 0.25. After that, we have already, like it is already holding on. So we will call this command called bar. So we'll use we will use a different face color properties, that is 0 0.7 bit darker, zero point 0.7, and here we'll have to say W2 low. Yeah, and then hold off. Yeah. So this is how we can overlay two bar charts, two bar graph in the same figure window. So why, okay, before that, why hold off function? Because now I want to release MATLAB from that hold function. Yeah. So that's why that's why I have written the hold off command here. And if you see, we have used a different face color. So why these three values basically? That is for red, green, and blue. So it's a combination of R, G, and B. What color you get, na? So it's a so here we are adding point 0.2 intensity of red, point 0.2 intensity of green, and point 0.2 intensity of blue. And similar here, point 0.7, point 0.7. So red is zero, only green and blue. So when you add green and blue, you get this, this particular color. Yeah. So that is how you can, you can overlay two different bar graphs in the same figure window, as you can see. Now you can also provide the X label legends and so on in that by using X label function, the Y label function, and so on. So let's understand how we can do that, because we have to provide label to each of these bar. Then we have to provide Y label and title as well. So just give me a moment. Yeah.